Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria. Today I'm going to open up the Sainish 5-in-1 aquascaping tool set. Alright, so I just got this. This is an aquascaping tool set that was on Amazon. It's relatively inexpensive, and there were a lot of different ones that were similar, different brands, and most of them are pretty much the same thing. Did a little bit of research on there and looked at the features and so forth, and I decided to get this set. And here's a little customer service card they throw in there. One of the things I liked about this set is that it came with 3 pair of tweezers instead of just 2. So these are stainless steel, so they should resist oxidation pretty well. Should last quite a while. I'm sure I'll still dry them off when I'm done with them, and I'll disinfect them between using them with different plants and terrariums. These tweezers right here, you can see there are 2 standard pair and 1 angled pair. Most of the other kits that were similar to this kit had only 1 standard and 1 angled. I feel that will be useful for working with plants. You can hold something down with one and then use the other one to do things. So it gives you a lot more control over things, especially when you're working down in a small terrarium or you can't reach all the way in. Another thing that I liked about these was that they have a little kind of ridged area right here so that you can get a better grip on things. That little ridged, grippy area would give you the ability to grab onto things and it wouldn't slide out. So these are feeling really nice in the hand. They don't take a lot of pressure to squeeze, but it's also not super loose, so that's good. I feel like this is just the right amount of tension. So these are the aquascaping shears. These will be useful for trimming plants in terrariums where it's kind of hard to reach in there. Feels actually quite smooth, and they seem sharp. Oh yeah, those are sharp. That definitely went through that paper really easily. That felt good, so I would say that these are good quality. People use this in aquariums to flatten out and to work with sand and gravel and substrate, and it's got the wide end, and then it's got the a little bit more narrow ends for working in smaller spaces. So that's kind of nice. That'll be useful for working with substrate in a terrarium as well. Something that I noticed about these is that they are kind of rounded at the end, which is nice. They're not sharp, so that'll be easier to work with, and it will also prevent, if you hit the glass, it won't scratch as much because it won't be as sharp. This was the Sainish 5-in-1 aquascaping tool set. I feel it is a good quality and I would recommend it as of now. However, I want to use it a bit, try it in some different terrariums and stuff, and I will do an update in the future, so be sure and subscribe and then hit the bell icon so you get notified of all future videos.